Welcome, and follow me, the Samsung Galaxy M33, and today I'll show you how we can format your SD card. Now to get started, you want to open up your settings, and from here we are looking for battery and device care. Here you'll find storage, so click on it. What do I need to do here? I didn't even read it. Unable to open my files. Set up settings and allow the following permissions to try files. Cool. Files need files. Fantastic. Permissions and guess we need to allow both of these. Okay, I selected one and I allowed both of them. Okay, so let's see if I can open it now. And I can. There we go. So from here you'll see we have two pages, so let's swipe to the left. This will show us our SD card, and we can tap on the three dots and select format. This will then bring up a message, format this SD card, everything on the card will be erased. Select format. This basically goes through it and it's already finished. Actually, it's still in a process. There we go, formatted successfully, and you can see it's now visible again. So there we go. If you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.